Hey, how you doing, guys? How are you today? Um, Today I do have a 2006 VW Jetta. It's 2.5. On that car here, I do have a cylinder switch problem, which is they call it ignition switch. And this car already ordered a cylinder switch from the dealer because nobody have it, or I have to go to the junkyard get a used one. Well, anyway, I got a customer here. He want a brand new part, so I'm already installed that cylinder. But after when I install the parts, which is this one right here, but still get the same problem. So most of these cars has a problem with the cylinder switch. So look what I find. Before, they have a problem with that key is stuck. It's not a go to the ignition and it's not going to the start. But okay, so when I take it off this one, you can look at this lock right there. You see it? That lock? That lock, it's when you turn off the car, that lock is go up to lock the steering wheel. So I have a problem with this one. It's not with the cylinder switch. It's not with the ignition switch. The problem is with this one. So to fix this problem, just you need to use DW40. That's all. You know? So right now my key is going out and I can, you see, I can use it like a normal used. So this is only the problem I have on this car. So I'm already spent money. I'm already ordered the part from dealer, which is like $125 for the whole case. But in the end, I install it, but still get the same problem. And when I look at it, I see just a steering wheel lock. I put just DW40 and that's it. The problem is fixed. Thank you for watching.